Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today we will build a digital clock, so we will take the time from the system and display it here. So I will show you how to do this and let's start. So first we need to make a new project. So create a new project, Windows Forms, and we can call this clock and create the project. So here we can create our window however we want it to be. Maybe change the name to, I don't know, clock, and also change the position, start position to center screen, and here we will need a label. So toolbox and label. So in this label we want to write 0000 and make it bigger. So on the font property we make it bigger. And maybe leave it like this, or you can just make it bigger. So now we need the code for it. So basically we need to create a timer. So we do this by creating the timer, put it here, and we write timer t equals new timer. So what we do here is to create the object timer that we call t of type timer. So once we have the timer, we need to select the interval, and here is the code. So t dot interval, and here we will say 1000 because this is in milliseconds. Okay, so now we need timer.tick, and here we can write this. So here we need an event handler. So here is what we need, and we need the time event handler, so we will put that here. So we create a new method, and here we need the time, so we create the hour. So basically what we do here is with every tick, so we need to select the date time from the system, so now, and hour, and do the same for minutes and seconds. So int.mm, which are the minutes, the same, date time now, and minutes, and the same for seconds. So here we take the date from the system and we display it in those variables, which are hour, minutes, and seconds. Okay, perfect. So now we have this, and we also need something else, which is time. So we create a string called time, which is empty. So for the padding, we need a series of if and else. So if the hour is less than 10, so basically what we do now is that if we have, for example, the hour set to 2, it will show 0, 2 instead of just 2. So we have this, and we need to do the same with minutes and seconds. But first we need an else here. Time and instead of writing it all the time, we can just copy. So here we have minutes, minutes, and minutes. And now again we can just paste it one more time, and here have seconds. And another thing that we need to do now is to update label that we created. So as we saw in our previous video, this is how we update the text of the label. And here we don't need this, we have time. So this is all good, and now we can go back to our form1.load. Now we can see how the code is working. So we run it and hope that it will work. And yes, it does work. Here it is, your digital clock, your small application. It's very easy to make, and I hope you like it. And please let me know if you succeed in building this, and let me know for any improvements for future videos. Thank you, and bye bye.